there! I'm Kerry Watson. In today's video, we're going to be discussing book cover design, do-it-yourself DIY versus hiring a professional book cover designer and the value of whether or not it's worth the investment. As an author, you know how important it is to have a strong and eye-catching book cover. A book cover is often the first thing that a potential reader sees, and you must make a good first impression. So, should you hire a professional designer to create your book cover, or will you save money if you design it yourself? Let's start talking about the benefits of using a professional book cover designer. A professional designer has the skills, the experience, and the tools necessary to create a visually appealing and effective book cover. They have a deep understanding of design principles, typography, color theory. Some, like myself, understands marketing. We know how to create a book cover that will stand out and sell. In addition, professional designers have access to high-quality design software and resources, which can make a big difference in the final product. They can provide valuable feedback and suggestions for how to improve your book cover. If you are finding value in this video so far, show it by clicking the thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment or a question below, and subscribe to AuthorSell for more book design tips and trends. Now, let's talk about the cost of hiring a professional book cover designer. Depending on the designer and the complexity of the project, the cost of a professionally designed book cover can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s. Prices can vary based on expert levels, tools, and demand for the services. Just remember, your book cover is an important marketing tool, and it's worth taking the time to ensure that it looks its best to sell. If you're in need of professional book cover design services, be sure to check out my Fiverr gig at fiverr.com/Kerry Watson. I offer a range of book design services, and I am happy and ready to help you create the book that sells. Make sure to mention this voucher number, #YT25, for a $25 discount on any of my services. So, is professional book cover design worth the investment? Well, it depends on if you have the skills and resources to create a high-quality book cover yourself. Then, it may not be necessary to hire a professional. However, if you don't have a strong background in design, or you want to ensure that your book sells, then it will definitely worth the investment to hire a professional book cover designer. Watch this next video to learn more about book cover designs, tips, and trends.